Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you how I remove my makeup, and that too a very affordable way. But before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for notification. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. So no matter what kind of makeup I'm wearing, I go by coconut oils to remove my makeup. Like I do oil cleansing. You can use any type of oil that you have, olive oil, coconut oil, any oil that you have at your home, you can use that. Now here I'm using the coconut oil by Good Vibes. It is a pure coconut oil. So here I have taken a small amount of coconut oil and I have applied it all over my face, so that it can melt the makeup. I have also uploaded few videos, I guess two videos, in which I have used different products to remove my makeup. I will leave the link in the description box. If you want, you can check them out. So now you can see coconut oil has started melting the makeup around my eyes, the eyeliner and mascara. You can see the black color around my eyes. So I cannot tell you if it works good, or it works better than the other cleansing oil based cleansing balms that are available in the market, because I have not used any of them by now. Before that I was using aloe vera gel also for this purpose, and now I'm using coconut oil. So you can see it has melted all the makeup around my eyes. While doing a cleansing around your eyes, do not give a lot of pressure on them, as let it clean step by step. Now with the help of a cotton pad, I am removing all the oil and the makeup from my face. Now I'm taking this Garnier micellar water. This is the oil infused micellar water. I've taken it on a cotton pad and just removing any makeup that was left. So now everything is cleaned. After that you can just do your regular skincare stuff. So this was all for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also follow me on my social medias. The links are in the description box. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.